Hi, my name is B. Christopher Patton, and I am certified JAWS trainer, also contracted by the state of Texas to train visually impaired people in Microsoft Windows, JAWS, and Microsoft Office 2007 and 2010. Now, today, this is JAWS really cool quick tip number 2. It's reporting errors. Now, from time to time, you will encounter some errors when you install programs or that just come up for various reasons. Like, for example, I installed this free demo of a talking clock program. It sounded cool. You could set reminders that it has a Big Ben mode that makes it sound like a grandfather clock. So I always wanted one of those, and right now I just can't afford it, so this seemed like a pretty cheap alternative. So I downloaded the demo. Unfortunately, I encountered an error with one of the settings. So I'm going to send out an email, but in order to do that, in order to describe the error fully, I could either type the error into another file and install that into the email, which would take a lot of time. Fortunately, JAWS has an easier way. It's called virtualizing the window, and it takes advantage of that virtual viewer that we've discussed before. And how it works is this: first of all, get into the program that you want to record the error from.
Talking clock.
Press my insert plus T to read the title bar. I'm here. Now, let's see.
System tray button.
Active.
First thing I need to do is reproduce the error.
Exit but voice settings button. Hourly chime button.
To activate.
Okay. So I'm at the place where the error occurred.
Talking clock dialog. Runtime error 339 component conv 32.ox are one of its dependencies not correctly registered. A file is missing or invalid. OK button.
To activate, press spacebar.
Okay, now you heard all that. Yeah, that's work. If I went and wrote that down into another piece of paper, that's work. And well, of course, my little dog sound in there, and that lets me know that something's wrong. Fortunately, like I said, there's an easier way to do this. I just press the insert plus Alt plus W.
Virtualizing window. Talking clock graphics 798.
Alright, now just put the whole screen, copied it into the virtual viewer. So now all I have to do is
Runtime error. Talking clock graphics 798. Runtime error registered.
I can arrow down just like any other normal text. You heard it say
Runtime error. Talking clock graphics 798.
I heard it say graphic 798, and as I discussed in the section on the Startup Wizard, that's what JAWS does when it encounters a graphic that it's not sure what the graphic is. It assigns it a number. Now, what I will do now
Selected. Talking clock graphic 709.
is press Control A to select all.
Pasted.
Oops. And I actually didn't do that quite right.
Copied.
Copied. Press Control C to copy.
Error in talking clock. Inbox mic with hide. JAWS. Talking clock. Error in talking clock message HTML.
Error in talking clock message HTML. Edit.
I press Alt Tab until I get to my message, and then I press Alt V to paste.
Pasted.
And press Control plus Home to get to the top of the screen to make sure it's in there.
Talking clock graphic 798. Runtime error 339 graphic conv 32.ox.
And there you go. I can copy an error message into an email or other file in just a couple easy steps, and it took less than a minute as opposed to the time it would take to copy it in manually. For any other questions, go to www.freedomscientific.com. My name again is B. Christopher, and have a good day.